What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to send a Google Calendar meeting invite directly through Gmail. First, open your web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. This will take you to your main Google Calendar page. Locate the events you want to share or create a new one if it hasn't been set up yet. To edit or create your event, directly click on the calendar entry. If you're creating a new one, simply select the time and date on the calendar, and an event creation window will pop up. If you're creating a new one, simply select the time and date on the calendar, and an event creation window will pop up. For existing events, click on the event and then on the pencil icon to open the editing window. Once you're in the event's details, look for the guests section on the right side of the form. Here, you can add invitees by typing their names or email addresses into the box. If the contacts are already synced on the Google account, their email addresses will populate automatically as you type. This makes it incredibly quick and easy to add participants. Next, take a moment to set the guest permissions. These options determine what your invitees can do with the invite. You can allow them to invite others, see the guest list, or modify the event. Check or uncheck these boxes based on what level of access you want to grant. After configuring the guest and permissions, click Save. This action sends an email notification to all invitees, informing them about the event and including a link to add the event to their own Google Calendar. If you need to remove someone from the invite list, perhaps due to a change in the meeting plan or a mistake in adding someone, it's simple to do so. Open the event again, go to the guests list and click the X next to the name of the person you want to uninvite. This will remove them from the event and they will be notified of the update. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your meeting invites directly from Google Calendar via Gmail, ensuring everyone necessary is in the loop of your upcoming events. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.